Welcome to our Shorthand Lab channel. Legal dictation at the speed of 100 to 110 words per minute. So be ready. Start. Per contra, Mr. Y. Datta, learned additional Solicitor General, submitted that the placement in senior scale selection grade reader is not by virtue of length of service alone but certain mandatory conditions under the career advancement scheme, and that the case of the appellant for placement in senior scale selection grade reader was examined by the screening committee, and since he could not satisfy the mandatory requirement, his name was not considered. Our attention was also drawn to certain averments made in the counter affidavit filed in this court on merits of the claim made by the appellant for reviewing the order of the division bench. He denied that the screening committee was neither mollified nor biased, and it adhered to career advancement scheme as laid down by UGC and the Ministry of Human Resources Development, and that the appellant did not fulfill the mandatory and statutory conditions for the award of senior skill. It was submitted that the scope of application for review is more restricted than that of an appeal, and therefore the review application has no merits. We are unable to countenance the argument advanced by learned additional Solicitor General appearing for the respondents. A careful perusal of the impugned judgment does not deal with and decide many important issues, as could be seen from the grounds of review and as raised in the grounds of especially petition appeal. The High Court, in our opinion, is not justified in ignoring the materials on record which, on proper consideration, may justify the claim of the appellant. Learned counsel for the appellant has also explained to this court as to why the appellant could not place before the division bench some of these documents which were not in possession of the appellant at the time of hearing of the case. The High Court, in our opinion, is not correct in overlooking the documents relied on by the appellant and the respondents. In our opinion, review jurisdiction is available in the present case, since the impugned judgment is a clear case of an error apparent on the face of the record and non-consideration of relevant documents. The appellant, in our opinion, has got a strong case in their favor, and if the claim of the appellant in this appeal is not countenanced, the appellant will suffer immeasurable loss and injury. Law is well settled that the power of judicial review of its own order by the High Court inheres in every court of plenary jurisdiction to prevent miscarriage of justice. The power, in our opinion, extends to correct all errors to prevent miscarriage of justice. The courts should not hesitate to review its own earlier order when there exists an error on the face of the record and the interest of the justice so demands in appropriate cases. The grievance of the appellant is that though several vital issues were raised and documents placed The High Court has not considered the same in its review jurisdiction. In our opinion, the High Court's order in the revision petition is not correct, which really necessitates our interference. Thank you so much.